Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's training video, we are going to learn how to configure and activate transfer posting with reference to purchase order for subcontracting process. This configuration is very useful in subcontracting scenarios where components are transferred against a subcontracting PO to the vendor. So in some system, this configuration is inactive, due to which the transfer posting with respect to PO is not visible or available on Migo transfer posting screen. So let's see step by step how to configure this in SAP. So in order to configure this, I will quickly go to SPRO screen, SAP reference IMG. I will go to material management, then inventory management and physical inventory. Here we can see the option settings for goods movement. Here we have this settings for transaction reference document. So we will select our transfer posting and I will click on reference document. Again I will click on reference document and click on continue. I will click on continue again. So see, here you cannot see the purchase order option available, due to which it is inactive on the Migo screen. So what I will do, I will click on new entries. I will give the reference document as PO. I will click on this active indicator and give movement type as 541, which is for subcontracting transfer posting. And once I click on enter, I will get an error. So if I click on save, see there is an error, specify the key within the work area. So whenever we will try to do new entries, we will get this error, specify the key within the work area. So I will just click on this error once. You can read here you have attempted to create an entry whose key is not on the range defined to this for this area. So in order to resolve this error, what we have to do, we will not click on new entries. So we will click on any existing reference document and click on copy as option. So again quickly I will go to the config screen, material management, purchase inventory and inventory management and physical inventory. Then I'll go to goods issue and transfer posting, settings for transfer and reference document. Here I click on transfer posting, click on reference document, click on reference document and continue. Here I will select any of the reference document and click on copy as option. Now I will give you a reference as PO, active indicator and 541 momentum. Now once I click on save, see now the entries are copied and now there is no error we are facing in this. So I have saved this transaction. Now if you will see, this purchase order option is enabled for this transfer posting. If I show you again in reference document, continue. So see, we can see this purchase order option with respect to 541. Quickly check on Migo screen. So I will enter /n Migo. In transaction event key, I will give the option as transfer posting. Select the option as transfer posting. Then now you can see that purchase order option is available over here. You can enter the PO number over here and all the child components will be fetched automatically in this transfer posting. In this way, this is configured in SAP system. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. Also, if you want me to create videos on certain topics, you can comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So thank you for watching.